All right, so this is the last question. We're going to go over how to do this one without using the unit circle. Now everything got erased, so I'm going to write that again. Pi and 2 pi. We know that this is going to be a reflection like this, okay? And we know that it's going to be in quadrant 4. Now, to find what this measurement would be, we're going to use just this piece of information here, 7 pi over 6, okay? And we're going to make everything so that it's in units of with the denominator of 6. So I'm going to say that this is, instead of 1 pi, it's going to be 6 over 6 pi. Instead of 2 pi here, I'm going to write that as 12 over 6 pi, okay? And then if you wanted to change this one, you could as well, but we don't have to do that for this problem. Now, we know that the distance from here to here, from 6 over 6 pi to 7 over 6 pi, is 1/6 pi. Okay, and we know that because 6 over 6 plus 1 over 6 is going to give us 7 over 6. Now, we want to find the distance from here all the way around to here. So it should stop right here, okay? So we're going to include everything that we had previously. Now, to find that in radians, how would we do that? Well, what we could do is we can measure from here to here, or we could take what we know and subtract. And notice that this little piece right here is the same as this little piece from here to here. And if we know that this is 1/6 pi, then this would also be 1/6 pi. So we can, instead of adding everything, we can just subtract from what we know. And we know that the total circle is 2 pi, or in this case, 12 over 6 pi. And to subtract from there, we would just subtract this little piece from the total, and we would get the rest, right? So we would subtract 1 over 6 pi, and 12 pi over 6 minus 1 over 6 pi is going to give us 12 minus 1, which is 11. 6 and 6, the denominator. When you're multiplying denominators, you multiply denominators and the numerators. When you subtract or add, remember that you keep your denominator the same. And that's going to give us 11 over 6 pi as our answer. Okay, and so that's how you do that last one here. Man, this is a lot of work. I might make this like all of the lessons because it's a ton. But if you check it, it should land right where you want it to. Okay, that's it. You guys have completed the main part of the activity. I want you to try these on your own. Try to do your best on these. And take a guess if you don't know, okay? This goes into other things that we might have covered, we might not have covered. I have not taken a look at this. Maybe I'll make this optional. Yeah, do this if you want. I'm going to make this optional. Once you guys get to question 22, 23, you stop there, okay? Good job, everyone. Thanks for watching all these videos, and let me know if you guys have any questions. You're doing great. Like, we had so much participation on the last activity for last week, so good job, everyone. Okay.